Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is from Simply Earth, and this is an essential oil recipe box. Every month you get several essential oils and you get a bunch of recipes of things you can make with them, and it's a really fun subscription box. So right on top we have the stickers. So when you make your recipes and you put them in the containers, they give you these fun little colorful stickers to put on them so you know what's in there. So I like that. Also have, looks like the same advertisement about how the recipe box works. And then we have our recipes. So the first one is for Christmas spray. I can't wait to smell the pine scotch. I know that's going to smell really good. And on the backs of the recipe cards, it'll have sometimes advertisements or fun facts. This one's talking about giving them for a gift. An ornament diffuser recipe. I saw the ornament in there. I'm excited for that. Wintergreen and pine scotch. Next month's box, we're helping you with your Christmas gifts. Cool. From bath bombs to yummy scrubs. And then it tells you the oils: Breathe Easy, Peppermint, Patchouli, and Cloves. That's going to be a really good one. Here's a holiday diffuser blend. This month we're partnering with Teens Against Sex Trafficking to educate teens. Then we have a recipe for Into the Woods charcoal toothpaste. I'm very excited to try that one. I've never tried charcoal toothpaste. And then on the back of that one it talks about why activated charcoal, what are the benefits and how it works. Ache Relief Roll-On. That one's talking about the referral program, and I do have a referral code where you get a gift card and a big bonus box. And I've unboxed the big bonus box before. It comes with all sorts of containers and fun stuff that you can use for your recipes, so I'll have that information below. And this one is a purifying and exfoliating charcoal face mask. Then here are the oils inside the box and a little bit of information about them. So let's take a look at those. This one is lemon eucalyptus. Then we have wintergreen, pine scotch. I can't wait to put these in my diffuser just as they are. And the last one, relief. And that has lavender, ginger, black pepper, juniper, berry, and rosemary. So it tells you everything that's included if you get a blend. And then every few months you get a big box, and that has all your like roller bottles and all your other little containers. So you get those throughout the year, a couple times a year. I think it's twice. So you have them for these recipes. But if there's anything additional like the ornament or the charcoal, that will come in your box. Cute little wooden ornament to put the oils on. We can string it like that and hang it from the tree, and that's awesome because we have all these pine tree smells, so that'll be awesome in the tree. Very excited for that because we do a fake tree, so the fact that it's going to smell like a real one is really cool. And there's a bead that probably goes with the ornament. And then here's our charcoal. That looks fun. So that is what came in the box this month. If you guys are interested, I will go ahead and put all their information below. It's a really fun subscription box. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.